let's assume that we have the understanding of what sizing are we planning to have for a Sisense cluster. Let's talk about the minimum requirements and some security and network requirements. So first of all, it's very important to stress that the minimum requirements of Sisense may vary along the time. And it is very important for you to visit our public documentation, the minimum requirements article, to see if that may have changed. In Sisense, we support various Kubernetes types. We support all of the public big cloud vendors. So we support Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Also, if you don't want to use the cloud installation of Kubernetes, we ship Sisense along with its own Kubernetes flavor called KubeSpray. Also, we support Red Hat OpenShift. All right? We support various versions of Kubernetes as well. And it is important for you, again, to visit the public documentation to understand what Kubernetes version you want to install, as it may vary if you're using different Sisense installation. All right? The supported operating systems are as following, and again, can't stress this enough. Please visit the public documentation as this may change. The minimum requirements of a Sisense server in respect to the resources is 8 CPUs and 32 gigs of RAM, all right? And very important, we require a very fast performing disk. And why is that? Because Sisense, at the end of the day, Elastic Cubes are databases, and it is important for those to be high performing. If you're on a single node, having the local storage mounted locally, it's important to run on SSD. And as if you're using a cloud vendor, depending on the different cloud Kubernetes, you may use different shared storage. So for example, for Amazon, you will use F6.